heard a lot of good reviews about Thermacell. Here's mine. We're sitting along the stream today, being annihilated by a cloud of black flies and mosquitoes. Let's see if you can see the red glow inside of my Thermacell burning. It sits on top of a fuel can. It seems a very minute amount of fuel, but it can make your day much more enjoyable. There's a blue mat. Once the burner plate underneath of this heats up from that red glow, you'll start to get a very fine mist or smoke. Coming off the top here, it'll actually create a safety zone around the area that you're in. Sometimes I burn 2 of these. On my review of the Thermacell, I've had this for a while, so I know it works. Thanks for watching this short video. Give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video. Happy 4th of July.